Hi everyone, my name's Ellie and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to crochet these super cute lip balm holders. They're very easy and you can use any type of yarn you like. So let's get straight into the pattern and see how to make these. Alright, you're going to want to have some yarn. I'm just using this thin purple yarn, and also you're going to want a crochet hook that matches your yarn and a tapestry needle and a scissor. So once you have those things ready, then we want to get started. So first I'm going to take my yarn and you're going to want to make a magic circle. So I'm just going to make that. And then you're going to want to put six single crochets into each one, into the hoop. So 1 and 2, sorry, and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Once you have your 6 stitches, then you're going to want to take the little end and you're just going to want to pull through all of it to make it into a little hoop. And once you are done pulling it through, it should look something like this. And you're going to want to go to the first single crochet you did, and you're going to want to put 2 single crochets into each of these crochets. So I'm just going here. I'll bring it closer. There we go. So I'm just going to take my yarn. I'm going to go insert my crochet hook. Wrap around, take it out, wrap around, pull through. And then I'm going to do a second one because we're going to increase. And so you want to put in 2 single crochets into each of your 6 stitches so that after you're done you should have 12 stitches. So I just finished my 8th, 9, 10, 11, 12. So as you can see, I have this circle now, and you're just going to want to take your lip balm. So I have this one, and you're going to want to make sure there's a little bit of space because because you want it to go up and you want it to be nice and snug, but not too snug that it will be really hard to pull out. So after my second row, this is a good size for me. So you're just going to want to keep making the circle bigger and bigger until it's a bit bigger than the bottom of your lip balm. So if it isn't big enough once you do this row, then you want to do another row with 2 single crochets in the first one, and then just 1 in the second one, 2 in the third one, and 1 in the fourth one, and go all around your hoop until you have 18 stitches. So you're just going to want to keep doing that and adding more single crochets in between the 2 crochets until you have a big enough circle. So I have a big enough circle, and what you're going to want to do next is just do 1 single crochet in each of your stitches, and it's going to start going up. Like if you see this right here, you see it will look like this. So because this is the bottom, and then it will start going up this way. So you're going to want to keep crocheting up, and I'll show you when I'm done half of it, and then you're going to want to just keep crocheting up until it's around to the bottom of the lid of your lip balm. So if you don't have lip balm on hand, or you don't know where yours is, then that's okay. So you're gonna want it as tall as about 6. You're gonna want it about 6 centimeters, and also you want it about 6 centimeters, or you want it about 2.5 inches. So either 2.5 inches or 6 centimeters. So just around there, you want it about that tall. So I'm going to continue crocheting just all around, just doing 1 single crochet into each of them. And don't worry about if it starts going in, that's totally normal. Just one crochet in each stitch and you'll be good. So I'm going to keep crocheting and I'll see you guys soon. Alright, so I finished a lot of rows, and this is how it looks, and it's tall enough. So after you're done this, you're going to want to crochet this part right here, the part where the keychain will go onto. And to do this, you're going to want to make a long rectangle right up to the right from the back right here. And you're going to do this by going, you know how you've been crocheting like this. Now you're going to want to go backwards. So you're going to want to crochet into the stitch that you just finished. You're going to crochet into there, and you're going to want to crochet into another stitch, the stitch before that. And then you're going to want to keep doing this until it's about a nice size. So I'm going to do it this big, so you can see how it's already a little bit higher than everything. So once you've done that, you're going to want to chain one for the end of the row, and then you're going to want to turn it around, and you're going to want to crochet those 3 stitches again, or however many stitches that you used. And I'm just going to go like this, and when you get to the end of the row, again chain 1, and then keep crocheting these until they are 2 times as big as how for the because when you crochet enough rows, then it will become quite long, and then you can fold it on itself. You can fold it in half, and then you will put the keychain in between it so that it's nice and snug and it's comfortable. So this is what the back looks like so far. Here we go. And then if I fold it like this, and you can see there's still a little bit of a rectangle, and then you're going to want to make sure that a keychain will fit inside it. So I'm just going to do one more, another row, because I want it to be nice and spacious so that it's easy to put the keychain inside. So there we go. So here's my big rectangle, and it's long enough that when I fold it in half, it has space on the, here I'll take out the crochet hook. So if I fold in half like this, it still has space between it to put the keychain. So you're going to want to take your scissor, and you're going to want to snip off the side. So I'm going to get my scissor, and I'm going to snip, and I'm just going to pull this through. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to take this, the big rectangle, and you're going to fold it in half and put your keychain in between these 2 halves on the very top. So like if this was my keychain, then I put that there, and then I wrap it around it, and I'm going to take my tapestry needle, and I'm going to knot it on this string, and I'm just going to go back and forth right here to secure the a line right here to secure the keychain inside here, so that way I can hook it on things. So I'm going to knot my string onto the tapestry needle, put the keychain hoop inside, and whatever keychain type you're using, you can also use string if that's all you have. And I'm going to go back and forth through I'm going to do a line and stitch it right here to keep the keychain hoop right there. So I'll tell you guys once I'm done. Bye! Alright everyone, I put on the keychain and folded it like this, and then seamed it right here. And this is the final product. I think it's super cute and lovely. I'm going to put this on my backpack so I can easily access my lip balm. And I think this is such an easy tutorial, so tell me guys what you think. Down below you guys can tell me what you think and if you guys tried it. So thanks for watching, and thanks again. Bye bye!